Hey, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Brittany, and I'm the founder of eProducts Empire. Today, I want to show you something that completely changed my life, and honestly, I think it might change yours too. I'm going to walk you through how complete beginners, people who have never even touched AI, are using it to build full online businesses without buying another course, without following another influencer, and without wasting thousands of dollars trying to figure it all out. If that sounds too good to be true, I get it. I would have said the same thing a year ago. But stick with me because what I'm about to share is real and it's working. So let me tell you how I got here, because I didn't start as some tech genius or marketing expert. I started exactly where a lot of you probably are right now. I was a course collector. I'm talking folders full of PDFs I never opened, logins to platforms I used once. I thought consuming content was progress, until I checked my bank account and realized nothing had changed. I kept buying course after course, chasing this idea of getting better. And the truth is, I knew what I was doing the entire time. I just kept looking for someone else to validate it or to give me a shortcut. Then came Black Friday. I bought a done for you service that promised to build my business for me. They said I wouldn't even have to think. And then I bought a digital course on top of that, one that was, in my opinion, ridiculously overpriced. And you know what I got? Recycled information I'd already seen before, and a content calendar with no captions, no hooks, no explanation of what I should even be doing in the videos. $3,000 gone. That was my breaking point. I stopped relying on courses. I stopped relying on influencers. And I realized if I'm in this position, there are so many others in this exact same spot too. So I built the AI powered system I wish had existed when I first started. And here's what I realized during that process. There's been a massive shift happening, and most people haven't caught on yet. The old way of building an online business required a team. You needed a copywriter, a social media manager, an ads expert, a business coach, and all of that cost $10,000 to $25,000 or more. Most people couldn't even get started because the barrier to entry was so high. But here's the new way. AI-powered tools, trained with real business frameworks and strategies, can now do the work of an entire team. One person, zero tech skills, a fraction of the cost. That's the shift. And it changes everything. Okay, secret number one, and this is the one that changed my whole trajectory. You don't need another course. Here's why. The online education industry is a $400 billion industry, and most of it teaches you concepts. It teaches you about customer avatars. It teaches you about sales funnels. It teaches you about email marketing. And then it leaves you staring at a blank screen with a bunch of knowledge and absolutely no plan on how to actually do the thing. That's the gap between learning and doing. And that gap is where people's dreams go to die. eProducts Empire is not a course. It's an AI-powered execution system that does the work with you. You don't just learn about customer avatars, the customer avatar wizard builds your avatar for you. You don't just learn about sales pages, the sales page writer writes your copy for you. You don't just learn about email marketing, the email money machine creates your entire sequence. The gap between learning and doing, it's gone. The AI closes it. Secret number two, and this is the one I hear the most pushback on. If you can send a text message, you can build a business with AI. I know some of you are thinking, Brittany, I don't even know what this chat is. Good. Perfect. That's exactly who I built this for. Here's how it works. Step one, you start at zero. Module one is literally called What is AI? That's how beginner friendly this is. No tech terms, no jargon, simple steps. Step two, you train your AI. You teach it your voice, your brand, and your audience so that when it creates content for you, it doesn't sound like a robot. It sounds like you. Step three, you build your business. 15 modules take you from product creation all the way through to full marketing systems. And I'm adding more modules all the time as AI continues to grow and evolve. Step four, you scale. Websites, apps, podcasts, content plans, the complete A to Z journey. By the time you're done, you don't just have a product, you have a business. Now, secret number three, and this is the one that makes people's jaws drop. Let's talk about money, because the numbers don't lie. If you were going to build an online business the traditional way, here's what you'd be spending. A copywriter, $2,000 to $5,000 for a single sales page, a social media manager, $1,500 to $3,000 a month, an ads manager, another one to $2,000 a month, a business coach, anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month. Add it all up. You're looking at $25,000 to $50,000 in your first year alone. Now let me show you what eProducts Empire gives you for $99 a month. All of those roles, your copywriter, your social media manager, your ads expert, your business coach, replaced by AI-powered tools that are included in your membership. plus 15 modules, full community access, and ongoing updates as AI evolves. The question isn't whether you can afford $99 a month. The question is, how much longer can you afford not to have this? Let me introduce you to your new team. Inside eProducts Empire, you get 13 custom-built AI tools. These aren't just generic ChatGPT prompts. These are purpose-built, loaded with real business frameworks, designed specifically for online business builders. Your customer avatar wizard builds detailed customer profiles so you know exactly who you're selling to. Your sales page writer creates high-converting copy that actually sells. Your email money machine generates complete email sequences, welcome series, launch sequences, all of it. Your hook and caption generator creates engaging social media content so you never stare at a blank screen again. Your ad copy lab writes tested ad frameworks when you're ready to scale. And your 24/7 business coach provides strategic guidance whenever you need it, day or night. That's 6 of the 13, and every single one replaces a $2,000 to $5,000 hire, all included in your membership. So let me put the full picture together for you. You get 15 modules that take you from what is AI all the way to running a full business. You get 13 AI tools, your complete marketing department, and all of this for $99 a month, less than one dinner out. Now, let me show you the real value of what you're getting. The 15 module system, if you hired a business consultant to walk you through this step by step, that's a $5,000 value. The 13 custom GPTs, if you hired the human equivalents of these tools, that's a $25,000 value. Community access with accountability and support, that's worth $3,000 a year. Direct access to me, Brittany, inside the community, that's worth $6,000 a year. And ongoing updates as AI evolves with new modules and new tools added regularly, that's another $2,000 a year. Total value, $42,500. Your investment, $99 a month. Now, I know you might have some questions, so let me answer the most common ones I hear. I've bought courses before that didn't work. I hear you, because same. That's literally why I built this. eProducts Empire is not a course you watch and hope for the best. The AI does the work with you. It writes the copy, it creates the emails, it builds the content. The gap between learning and doing is gone. I'm not tech savvy. Module 1 is called What is AI? We start at absolute zero. Every lesson uses simple language, step-by-step instructions, videos, and the community is there to support you if you ever get stuck. I don't have time. Most of our members have full-time jobs. That's the whole point of AI. It compresses the work. A sales page that would take a copywriter a week, your GPT writes it in 10 minutes. You don't need 8 hours a day. You need 1 to 2 hours. And my favorite question, how is this different from just using ChatGPT? Here's how I explain it. ChatGPT is the kitchen. eProducts Empire gives you the recipes, the meal plan, the cooking class, and a chef standing right next to you. Our GPTs are loaded with real business frameworks, and they know exactly what questions to ask you to get the best results. It's a completely different experience. So here's where it comes down to a decision. There are 2 types of people watching this right now. There are the people who are going to bookmark this, save it for later, and go back to scrolling, back to collecting information, back to buying courses, back to hoping the next thing will finally be the one. And then there are the people who are going to say, enough is enough, and finally take action. I built eProducts Empire for the second person. For $99 a month, you get the entire system. 15 modules, 13 AI tools, community access, direct support from me, no contracts, cancel anytime. And here's something important. As I continue to add new modules and new tools, the price will increase for new members. But if you join now, your rate locks in at $99 a month for as long as you're a member. So if you're tired of collecting and you're ready to start executing, I'll see you inside. Stop collecting, start executing.